Hey guys, it's Big C. Back with a break. It is Monday, May 21st, 10:37. So here we go. We're doing the museum collection box. So here is the sign-up sheet. This in it last night. 5:20 and then 5:20. Here is the sheet. Few teams did not sell out. Looks like the White Sox, Indians, Padres, and Diamondbacks. Here we go, up. And then over. So, alright, here we go with the museum collection. And boy, this box feels really heavy. So I don't know if there's something in it or not, but it sure feels heavy. Empty. Well, maybe not. For some reason, it just felt like it was heavy, but I guess not. I'll go ahead and get all these open. That's pack one. Pack two. For some reason I thought that box felt heavier, but I guess it didn't. Maybe box 4. So there we go. Put these away. Alrighty, here we go with the museum collection. Got a thick card in it. We got Hanley Ramirez, Marlins, $2.99, which would be MKSD3. Mike Stanton, Marlins also. Phil Niekro, Braves, which would be MKSD3. We got Canvas Collection, Al Kaline for Detroit, and that would be Joe 22010. And primary pieces, Ryan Braun for the Brewers, 21 out of 25, which would be Joe 22010. A little bit of a patch right there. There is pack 1. And here is pack 2. Let's see, we got Joe Mauer for the Twins, which would be 14, Jesse 80. We have Miguel Cabrera, Detroit, Joe 22010. Jose Batista, Blue Jays, Jay Havitt. Raleigh Finger, A's. Annapolis Baseball Cards. And then we have Jumbo. 7 out of 35, Ichiro. Lamar 110119. So these last 2 packs should be autographed. And here we go. We got Michael Pineda, Yankees. Jay Kunzman 62, 199. Don Mattingly. Yankees, same. Actually, Yankees packs. A-Rod, same. And then we have Aramis Ramirez, Milwaukee, would be Joe 22010. Then we have Lou Brock out of 99 for the Cardinals, which would be THTIBAW. And then we have an autograph, Ju Paneras for the Rockies. And that would be Bram Hall. And that's out of $2.99. And here we go with the last pack. Let's see what we got here. Got Drew Stubbs for the Reds. I like Reds 13. That's numbered out of $2.99. Adrian Beltre for the Rangers. 14 Jesse 80. Mickey Mantle for the Yankees. Jay Koonsman 62. Greg Kimball for the Braves. MKS D3. And an autograph of, is that Buster? Oh, Brandon Belt. Look at the, that's a really nice patch on that side. I can't believe this is numbered out to 250. You would think with that patch it would be a lower number than that, but that's a neat patch. And that would be for the Giants, which would also be Jay Koonsman 62. So there you have it. Again, guys, I appreciate it. Keep checking out my auctions. Big C 2014. Thanks, guys.